Hi, I'm Dr. Ramesh Ayala. I'm the chair of ophthalmology, USFI Institute here in Tampa, Florida. We are part of Morsani College of Medicine and Tampa General Hospital. We are the only academic eye training program in all of Central Florida. USFI residency program is designed to train the next generation of comprehensive ophthalmologists. We take pride in training the next generation of clinician surgeons. Not only that, we are on the way to train the next generation of clinician scientists. We at USFI are pursuing cutting-edge research, which is NIH funded.
We really pride ourselves in teaching the residents to be able to compete with all the very latest technology. We teach them cataract surgery with premium lenses, multifocal crystal lens, and then we also let them have experience doing refractive surgery, both in the operating room and then also with our PRK.
Our residents are seeing not only kind of the very common pathologies, they're also able to see and treat a lot of the more uncommon or rare conditions that a lot of residents only get to read about in the textbooks.
When they compare their numbers of cataract operations to other residency programs around the country, we're really in the top 10% or better.
An advantage of our program is the high number of surgical procedures you will be involved in. We have significant numbers of corneal transplants and cataract surgeries yearly. The University of South Florida in Tampa is the referral center for the entire Central Florida and other areas of Florida.
At the end, the graduating residents can tackle just about any diagnosis.
So I started working with the residents, doing practice. We did practice surgeries on the equipment. And then I realized it was a golden opportunity. So I started to develop a curriculum which would complement the full curriculum. And much of it is just stuff that you don't learn from a book or from a computer, because it's things that I learned over the years.
I trained in a program where the faculty were very aloof. And I vowed that if I was ever in a position where I might be able to teach, I would do my utmost. Teaching is a very noble profession, and I am really happy to have been given the chance to be part of it.
We have professors on the faculty here that really love to teach and take the time to explain what they're doing and guide the residents through their 4 years here.
Very rewarding to be able to teach and be able to work with residents and fellows.
I really love that all the residents are genuinely very close friends, but what you need is the support system. You need to know that you can count on your co-residents. I know that all my co-residents have my back and I have theirs too, and just being able to depend on your co-residents kind of speaks volumes, and that is something that's so important in residency and maybe not talked about enough.
I'm so proud of what our residents have achieved so far and are going to achieve in the future. I seriously want to welcome all those medical students who want to be the clinician future leaders in ophthalmology.